Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, and also turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload a video, and you will be notified. Okay, so today's video I just have this fall inspired makeup. If you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Guys, welcome back. So I already primed my lids. I am going in with the 24G palette from Morphe, and I'm taking this tan brown type of shade, and it's in the color Frenchy, and I'm just gonna blend that everywhere, like pretty much all over besides on my lid. I will be going in with this coral shade from the same palette, and I always use this as a blush if you have watched previous videos. And this is just a very simple eye look for you guys. Like, it's nothing too dramatic, nothing too, you know, it's just so easy. So right now you're gonna see me going in with the black liquid liner from Wet n Wild and do a wing liner, and I also will be cleaning it up with the same concealer, which is LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fun. You do your liner and you clean it up, you're just gonna go in with a mascara. I chose to go in with the Black Radiance mascara. It is in the color black and it's Bold and Sexy mascara from them. After I do that, I will be putting my lashes on last as always, because you know I don't be wanting that powder on them, and this is pretty much how it's going to be looking. So for today's foundation, I just chose to go in with the Fenty foundation, and I am in the shade 420. I did speed most of this part up because of the simple fact y'all always see me do my face, you know, it's nothing too different, you know, there's different eyes, different lips, and you know y'all always see me do my face or whatever. But anywho, I did use the orange corrector to correct underneath my eyes, you know, because your girl has really been getting lack of sleep, okay? And yeah, it's just to correct any dark spots or dark marks that I might have, which I don't pretty much have too many. But I will be going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fun, and also using that to highlight all the areas that you always see me highlight. And then I will also be taking the shade Mahogany from the LA Girl Pro concealers, and it was a little bit too dark for you, girl. It's not as dark as I like my contour, but I ended up just blending it out, you know, to the best. Normally I just blend everything and then I go back and set it, but on this particular video you're gonna see me just blend one section and just set it with the Airspun powder, and then I will be going ahead and blending another section and setting it with the powder. And I did speed the video up like I said before, and yeah. So next I will be going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion medium to dark contour palette, and I'm just taking a dark shade and I will be contouring my face. I did want to do a heavy contour today, so that's why you're gonna be seeing your girl, you know, go in heavy with it, period. I'll be going in with the L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade Cappuccino. If you watch previous videos, y'all know I love this powder, but your girl always use the Creamy Cafe. I do like Creamy Cafe better for my highlighted areas, you know, better than this Cappuccino. This worked out pretty good, you guys. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine, and also going in with the Physicians Formula butter bronzer in the shade Deep. I will be taking a Ruby Kisses white pencil and just lining out my waterline, and then I'm going in with the Dewy setting spray from Black Radiance. I like to pat mine in, you know what I'm saying, make sure it's set sis, okay? And then I will also be going in with one of my favorite highlighters, which is the Milani Sun Glow highlighter. Y'all, this is the bum.com. It's an oldie. If you've been watching my channel from day one, baby, you already know this one of the day ones. Nah, but I will be going back in with some more mascara for the bottom lashes, and then I'm going to be taking this dark brown pencil to line out my lips. For today's lipstick, I picked up this L'Oreal Paris in the shade Dare, and y'all, this is the bum.com. I might do a look with it just by itself. This was my first time ever wearing it, and I did like a little combo. I got the Dose of Colors Catching Feelings matte lippy and put that on in. So the lashes I will be going in with is from Pastel Lashes, and y'all know I love these lashes, y'all. The bum.com. I put some more highlighter into the inner corners, and that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys can follow along. I hope you guys want to recreate this look, all of that good stuff. Don't forget to smash that like button if you do like this video. Comment your thoughts down below. Also subscribe to my channel. It will help me out so much, you guys, and I am so thankful for you guys who actually support and watch my videos. And don't don't just be commenting stuff because of the title, sis. So if you have watched this whole video, and I know you watched this video, comment your Instagram down below so I would know you watched my video. And if you don't have Instagram, go ahead and just leave your girl a red heart so I would just know you actually watched my video, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.